The Blizzard Brahma is my ninja stick. This is my go-to. I'm going out to crush groomer, carving ski, that I can also hike up to the peak and ski the bowl if I want to. I love this ski in nearly all conditions. This thing can make giant power arcs, it can make tight little nimble ones, you can pull your knees underneath you, you can get big extension with your hip, you can knuck drag. The knuck dragging on these skis is phenomenal. They're playful, they're nimble. It's got a really nice, easy entry up in the tip. The shovel of the tip just rides along nicely. But the more angles you put to it, the more it bites, and so you can pull radius super easy with this ski. And it's got a little pop to it, so it's really easy to pop out and do super floaty entries into the turn, and that's where you get these shots looking like this. Any ski that lets you drop the hip is a good ski to me. This thing's rad, check it out, you should get it. Blizzard Brahma 88, my go-to ninja stick. They're absolutely phenomenal.